Hey guys, what's going on? Brandon Vitro here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 per day doing affiliate marketing. So it's one of those things that's not really hard to do, but it is going to take some time and some effort to be able to get there. You're not going to start making $100 per day tomorrow doing affiliate marketing because it's something that has to grow over time. But what I do want to say is if you start now, not that far from now, you can be making some serious money doing affiliate marketing. And it's really not hard. You just have to start implementing different things each day. You just have to start building your platform and building your machine for affiliate marketing right now. So I'm going to be pretty specific in this video, and I'm going to make up a way that you could do affiliate marketing and what I would do if I was going to start doing this right now. I can't guarantee that you're going to make money if you copy the exact thing that I say, but I am saying that the process I'm giving you has been proven, and many people have done this. And it is very possible to make money doing this. So just watch this video, enjoy, and we are going to cover everything you need to know. So if I was starting from scratch and I wanted to do affiliate marketing and start making money doing that, what I would do first, I would pick my topic or niche that I wanted to focus on, and this should be something that you are very interested in. So for me, this would be something like fitness, or like this channel where I talk about money, but on this channel I'm not really focused on affiliate marketing. So let's say I made a fitness channel and I wanted to focus on affiliate marketing. So my topic would be fitness, and I would focus on talking about fitness as much as I possibly could. So I would make at least 3 videos a week on YouTube. I'd probably make an Instagram profile for it and start posting there. And I would talk about a bunch of different things having to do with fitness. I would talk about the healthiest foods to eat, the best workouts you could possibly do. So while I'm making those videos about fitness, I'm growing my channel and I'm starting to build an audience. Now, I'm not doing affiliate marketing yet because I want to have an audience first. Because if you don't have an audience and you're trying to sell people stuff, that could turn off potential viewers. But if you build an audience first and then offer them products that could help them, I think that's the best way to do it. So once I've started building a little bit of an audience, which could be even something like 1,000 subscribers, at that point, I'm going to start doing this, which is going to be making YouTube videos about fitness where I'm talking about products that I could sell. So I'm not only going to make these videos, I'm going to keep making my videos about the best workouts, the amount of sleep you need to build the most muscle, stuff like that. I'm going to be still making those videos, but now I'm going to make, let's say 1 video per week where I talk about the best protein powder or the best pre-workout and things like that. And so at that point, I'm making this video talking about, whatever the best protein powder on the market is, and then I'm going to link to that protein powder on Amazon. I'm not going to do any special affiliate marketing things. I'm just going to make Amazon affiliate program. I'm going to set up my account and I'm going to get a special link to that protein powder on Amazon, and I'm just going to put that in the description. And so I'm talking about this protein powder. I'm telling everyone why this is the best protein powder. And at the end of the video, you don't want to be super pushy about the link. At the end of the video, the people who are still watching, who are probably more likely to buy that protein powder, I'm going to say, hey guys, if you're interested in getting this protein powder, you can check out the link in the description. And if you do that, it'll really help out the channel, and that would be super helpful for me. And by doing this, you're showing them that it's going to help you. You're letting them know that link is down there, and if they're interested in getting that protein powder, chances are they'll probably use that link so they can find that exact powder, and then they're able to go purchase that. And when they do purchase it, you'll get a small percentage of that purchase. Now, I do want to say, of course, that it is super important that you don't promote a product that your audience is not going to like, or that is not a good product. You want to only promote high quality products that you believe in, and stuff that you would personally use yourself. Because if you promote something that's garbage, someone in your audience trusts you enough to purchase something that you're recommending, and then they get this product and it's garbage, they're not going to trust you anymore. And that's the last thing you want to happen. You want to have a trusting, good relationship with your audience and your viewers. And so an important part of that is only recommending things that are going to help them and that are actually good products. So if you look at someone like Scotty, who is a YouTuber that talks about cars a lot, he talks about cars and about fixing cars and what are the best quality cars and what cars should you get, stuff like that. He grew a very large following just talking about cars and fixing them. And he actually used to be a mechanic, so he knows a lot about cars and a lot of products that you would need to be able to fix cars. And if you watch his channel, his videos aren't like crazy high quality. There's nothing special about them other than he has a good personality. You know, he's very outspoken. You know, he puts a lot of attitude and personality into what he's saying. And that's really good for building an audience and having people, you know, choose watching your videos over someone else's. And now, you know, when he's talking about a tool that you need to fix a specific part of your car, he recommends that tool and you can get that thing on Amazon, and he gives you a link to do that. And of course he makes money anytime you use that link, and he's killing it with affiliate marketing right now. He has a bunch of links in there and they're all to specific things that are going to help you. So let's say you made a YouTube channel where you talk about washing cars and waxing them, you know, and you just make videos. You could even start with your car or even your parents' car or someone's car and just wash it and wax it and make it look really nice. You could restore the headlights to make sure they're really clear, stuff like that, and just make cars look nicer than they did before. And you could offer a beginning car detailing set that you can get on Amazon for like $30. You can offer that to people watching your videos. And those are people that are going to be very interested in detailing cars because they're watching your videos. And you can actually make $100 per day by selling about 100 of those car detailing kits. And so, you know, if you're getting thousands of views every day on your videos, that's awesome. You're probably going to be able to sell 100 of those per day. And so that's an extra $100 per day just for putting that special link in the description and offering something that your audience wants to buy anyway. And I know you may say, but if I start a YouTube channel now, I probably can't grow it big enough to start making that kind of money. I'm not going to be able to get thousands of views every day. But if you really put in the work and you're making videos that have good titles, things people are going to be searching, you're able to grow a channel. And I know this is possible. I've seen several people go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in a year. And so I know it's very, very possible to be able to do that. You know, all it takes is one video to go from, you know, 10 subscribers to thousands of subscribers. So don't give up hope. And if you're working on this right now, don't give up hope. Keep going, and eventually you'll get to where you want to be. And if you do start this affiliate marketing now, chances are you could be making some very, very good money in the next few years. A lot of YouTubers will say you can make a bunch of money overnight, and that's just not the truth. The thing is, with affiliate marketing, you have to grow it. So you have to put in a lot of work up front and really just keep growing it, put out more videos, put out more content, and over time it will pay off. You know, at first you may be like, oh my God, I posted 12 videos and I haven't made any money. But if you keep posting it, 12 more videos, 12 more videos, 12 more videos, over time you are going to start making some serious money, and all that time you put in up front is going to pay off later on. And this is also one of those things that's always changing. And so, you know, if you want to stay up to date, I do make videos about this kind of thing all the time. So if you're interested in that, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions at all about anything I talked about in this video, make sure you just leave a comment below and I'll make sure I respond to you. I respond to every single comment. And also, if you want to learn more about money, check out my channel and watch some more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.